Hello everyone, just want to give you a quick update on where we're at with the Porsche Diesel restoration. We've currently got a few parts on the way, a few little things we found as we separated the tractor. We do have the wheels and tyres are back, brand new BKT rubber. The paint has come up, this colour is beautiful, it's going to look really good offset against the red. I'm very happy with that. As you can see here, we've got the engine half and the transmission half of the machine. The clutch is out, we've got some parts coming. We've got the brake, both sides are open. PDO brake is off the machine. We've got all the parts in here just to make sure that nothing gets in there and contaminates any of the engine parts. And under here we have the front wheels with their brand new BKT 500V15 tyres, which are very similar to the original tread pattern on these machines from when they were new. So enjoy this little bit of an update video, and hopefully we'll have some more progress soon when the other parts come in.
Done enough.
Okay, can you just turn, can you turn that wheel this way? Other way, sorry, now, yep. Keep going, keep going. So there's a collar in there. Just